Okay, example 8 is all about trying to get rid of the radical in the denominator of the fraction. So if we have something like a over the square root of b, we want our final answer to not have that square root in the bottom of the fraction. So the way we can get rid of that is by multiplying by the square root of b over the square root of b. The reason that this works is because when we multiply the square root of b times the square root of b, those square roots cancel out and give me just b. Right, like we talked about earlier, if I did something like the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, that is just 3. The square roots kind of cancel each other out. So putting some numbers to it, if I had 4 over the square root of 7, I would multiply by the square root of 7 over the square root of 7. That gives me 4 times the square root of 7 on top, and then the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 on the bottom, which that bottom part simplifies to just 7. So we now have 4, the square root of 7, divided by 7, and that gets the square root out of the bottom part of the fraction. So for the next one, we have 7 over the square root of 3. If I want to get rid of that square root of 3 on the bottom, I would multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. 7 times the square root of 3 is simply 7 square root of 3. And then we'd have the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 on the bottom, which that square root of 3 times square root of 3 equals just 3. So this will become 7 square root of 3 divided by 3. Next one, we have 6 divided by the square root of 2. So if I want to get rid of that square root on the bottom there, I would need to multiply by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2. So this will give me 6 square root of 2. And then when I multiply the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, that will give me just 2 on the bottom. But this I actually can simplify because I can do 6 divided by 2, and that gives me 3 root 2. And that is all for example 8.